guys, I'm in here in the ATV shop. Something weird going on here. So I have my multimeter connected to the ground, showing 0 voltage. You can see it's connected to the ground of the battery. But this kind of looks like it's almost connected to the ground, but no, it's connected to nothing. So anyways, what's going on is whenever I hit the start button for the ATV, so to turn over the starter motor, it starts registering some voltage. So check this out. Kind of weird. I don't know if maybe it's something to do with how it's sitting on some kind of ground, like the wire. Like it's just like sensing some kind of electrical activity, something. I don't know. Maybe somebody has an explanation.